So we're in Patong, we're just looking at some of the food. We just got the pork neck and the pork. But how good's this food? So you walk along, all the noodles, chilies, pineapples. Hello. And then you've got chicken thighs, chicken drumsticks, corn dog cheese, chicken wings, chicken middle wings. Hello. You're on YouTube.
Chicken wing. I do what?
And then we'll come up to the seafood. You got sea bass, red snappers, mussels, scallops, prawns, lobsters that shouldn't be taken out of the sea, octopus. But the main attraction tonight isn't this. We are going to the Monkey Bar. How good's the food, mate? Good? Good? So we'll go for a walk up to Monkey Bar and we'll see who's there. So we're doing Monkey Bar. Monkey Bar. We'll have a look at the alcohol. Here we go. Emmy. We'll have a look at the alcohol. Emmy. We'll have a look at the alcohol. They've got that much alcohol. All the beer you can drink. More alcohol. It's all there. I think Shom's the owner. Say hello. That's the owner of Monkey Bar. And then there's just people having a good night, guys. And then there's these hobos. Babe?